Hi there! Welcome to the introduction for job costing and project accounting within Financials for Office 365. Here we will cover how Financials configures the jobs module to any business requirement. It can be simplified or comprehensive, only a couple of days to multiple years, even invoiced as time and materials, fixed price, or through progress claims and variation. The job costing module supports common project management tasks, such as configuring a job and scheduling a resource, as well as providing the information needed to manage budgets and monitoring progress. Here we are in the Project Manager Role Center. This landing dashboard provides an instant illustration of the progress of all our jobs the user is associated with. We can see our workload in the activity tiles in regards to invoicing, calculating work in progress, maintaining jobs to budget, even all tasks related to timesheet management and document approvals. Our Role Center ensures you are on top of all your projects in the live KPI charts. They even illustrate profitability, our actuals to budgets for both costs and prices. Now, our navigation pane also provides various filtered views of our projects, allowing easier organizing of your jobs. Let's open a job. Here I can see in this section of our Role Center the projects under my responsibility with a simplified view. The job card shows me the customer's general details plus the person responsible for this job and the project manager. Even get a preview of the job structure through the job task lines. The status of a job can lead to different capability being opened up. A planning job can allow for copying of task lines and planning lines from a template. A quote can then be sent as a tentative quote to the customer. Open, we can then start creating invoices and accounting for usage, consumption, and WIPP. And lastly, finished will allow us to fully review this job and have a look at the profitability and leakages we incurred. If our project involves foreign customer and we wish to use a spot rate between the two currencies, this can be through foreign trade. While lastly, the work in progress recognition and settings are established within the WIPP Fast tab. Within a job, there are multiple levels allowing you to have layered reporting of your projects. The first layer consists of job task lines. It is necessary to set up at least one job task because all posting needs to refer to a job's task. Having at least one job task in your project enables you to set up planning lines and post consumption to the job. The second layer consists of planning lines, which you can see here. Now this specifies the detailed use of resources, items, and various general ledger expenses. All the jobs that you create can be separated into tasks and planning lines. This enables you to divide the job into smaller tasks, segment it, and therefore use more specific details in budgeting, quotes, and registration. From these examples here, within this demo database, you can see a simplistic time and materials job, a comprehensive time and materials job, and a comprehensive progress claims job. Now, it's important to note that every job within Financials for Office 365 acts as a template. You could copy the job holistically, taking in all the task lines and planning lines, as well as all the quantities and dimensions that are associated within this project. Or copy over specific aspects or specific sections of a job. It's completely up to you. Even with sales pricing, customer and item group discounting, and invoice volume discounting, projects allow for a specific price on resources, items, and general ledger account expenses within our jobs module. From the planning lines, you can create both purchase orders and sales invoices and credit notes. This makes the job task and planning lines the central point to manage project budgets, monitor progress and performance, manage resource and project supplies, and utilize invoicing for your jobs. We explore this more in the Introduction to Job Tasks and Planning Lines video. Please refer to the link in the description to find out more. You can invoice the whole job from the Job Task Lines window or only invoice specific billing lines from the Planning Lines window. Invoicing can be done after the job is finished or at certain intervals during the job's progress-based invoicing schedule. Now, time management is part of monitoring and understanding resource use and allocation. With time management, you can identify issues early and avoid delays or cost overruns. With timesheets, a resource can easily report time usage for an individual or a machine. This is why it's essential that the timesheet module within financials and the resource module within financials is fully integrated with our project and jobs module. During the job's development, job costs such as resource usage, materials, and job-related purchases can accumulate. As the job progresses, these transactions get posted to the job journal. It's important that all costs get recorded in the job journal before you invoice the customer. This is only a quick introduction into the jobs costing module, but please feel free to go to our website or our YouTube channel to find out more. And that's an introduction to job costing within financials for Office 365.